Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your Bluetooth is not connecting on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If your Bluetooth is not connecting, the first thing you should try is to simply turn Bluetooth off and then back on again. If it is still not connecting with your desired device, you could try going into Bluetooth settings, connections, Bluetooth. In here, tapping on the device and unpairing from it. Afterwards, you can try pairing with it again. And if you can pair with it again, then that's great. But if there is still some problems with connection, you could go into settings, scroll down to software update. In here, check for updates to make sure you have everything up to date. If you do, then you could still try going into general management, reset, and then reset network settings to reset your Bluetooth settings. This would forget and unpair all of your devices, possibly, but it should allow you to possibly fix up some issues with connection of Bluetooth. You should also try restarting your phone or restarting into safe mode, which can be done easily by powering off your phone. But of course, first you should want to try just resetting your phone normally to see if that fixes your issue. But if it doesn't, then resetting into safe mode is a good way to rule out third-party apps interfering with your Bluetooth. Now you want to power it on and just keep on holding the volume down button until your phone turns on. Just keep on holding the button. At this point, when it says safe mode, you can of course just stop holding the button. This will start your phone in safe mode, which will allow you to possibly rule out issues from third-party apps. Once your phone turns back on, you can try all of the previous things again, or just try using your Bluetooth this time and it should work. If you want to exit safe mode, simply restart your phone. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.